Ever heard somebody saying, piove a catinelle, it's raining cats and dogs, and wondered what on earth it means? Well, let's get ready to dive into the colourful world of Italian idioms. From quirky expressions to hilarious translations, you'll be laughing and learning in no time. Avere le mani in pasta. To have one's hand in the dough, or to be involved in a lot of things. Essere in gamba. To be in the leg. Used to describe somebody who's smart, capable, or clever. Avere il prosciutto sugli occhi. To have ham over one's eyes. Used to describe somebody who's not aware of what's happening around them. Essere al verde. To be in the green. It means to describe somebody who's out of money or they're broke. Piove sul bagnato. It rains on the wet. Good or bad things always happen to the same person. When it rains, it pours. Fare una frittata. To make an omelette or to mess things up. Fare la scarpetta. To make the little shoe. Or, as the Italians traditionally do, to mop up the sauce on a pasta dish with a little bit of bread. Avere grilli per la testa. To have crickets in your head. Somebody who has lots of thoughts buzzing around in their head. Essere come il prezzemolo. To be like parsley. Italians say this about somebody who's everywhere. They're all over the place, just like parsley is in the garden. Andare a letto con le galline. To go to bed with the hens. Or somebody who goes to bed very, very early.